Simplicity. It's something many of us strive for. For us, the desire to simplify life began as a road trip in a solar-modified van. That much-needed vacation led to the discovery of something that had always been right above us: the sun. More specifically, the realization that the sun is one of the cleanest and most abundant energy sources available. If it could provide power for our van, what else could it do? That question led to countless hours of research, training, and the opening of a solar installation company we called Solar Ascent. What started as a one-person crew has grown into a company that now employs 15 certified installers and support staff who share our passion for solar energy. Together, we've completed over 300 commercial and residential projects, installing over 10,000 solar panels and adding more than 6 gigawatt-hours of solar energy to the Nova Scotian power grid. Our background in renovations contracting has given us unparalleled attention to detail, while producing designs that are accurately modeled and backed by the best equipment with an industry-leading warranty program. Our numerous 5-star reviews are a reflection of the passion we have for our work. Solar Ascent has helped home and business owners lighten their loads by generating their own renewable energy. We have solutions and technology for projects big and small, and strive to help our clients gain energy independence and simplicity. Solar Ascent. We make solar simple.